Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile with a Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. First of all, go to settings, then we're looking out for Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, right to the bottom, over to the system, we'll switch it on, turn it down because the radio will probably play. So I'll just turn that down. Where you've got phone here, nav, audio, we can click on either. Please pair phone, there's nothing paired at the moment. Search new. Vehicle to device, and again, as I say, watching out at the bottom here. Taking its time. Braille's iPhone 15 Pro, click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 3810, 3810. The keypad automatically came up on the phone. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And then connecting to Barry's iPhone, Range Rover Evoque connected. That's it done.